Hey everybody, today I will do another problem, and today we will just do two quick examples on octal, right? Octal to decimal and decimal to octal conversion. And let's say that we have a number. So first of all, we have to, I will say describe what an octal is. Octal, or the word say it, octal mean 8, right? So it's base 8. Now, so we will do this from octal to decimal. Let's say that we have a number, for example, right? Example 2374 base 8, right? And we want to go from base 8 to base 10, right? To decimal. Okay, so here this is the octal number, right? Given, right? So we want to convert this to a decimal, right? So how we do that? We will do this by, this is the base, right? So I got a 2374. How many numbers I got? I got a 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have to do the base 8, right? So the base is 8. So remember when we did when we did binary, so we did binary to decimal, we multiply the binary, for example, 1010 and binary, right? That doesn't mean 10 in decimal. And we actually did the number, right? So here we did 0 times 2 to the 0 power plus 1 plus 2 to the 1 power times what? Times 1, right? And then plus 0 here, right? Because that's 0 again, so you don't even have to do it, but if you want to do it, just do 0 times that number 2 to the 0 power, right? I'm sorry, that is second power, right? So this and this are 0, so I just have this one, so this one is 1 times what? Times 2 to the third power, right? So when you see this, right? So this here is 0, that is 0. The only one that counts here is this, which is 8 and this, right? Plus 2, right? Which is 10, right? That is 10 and decimal. So this is exactly the same thing that we will do here. This is the same thing, right? So with the difference that we are going to use base 8. So in this case, we do what? We do here, we do 8 to the 0 power, right? Times what? Times 4, right? Plus 7, right? Plus 8, right? Plus 8 to the 1 power times 7 plus 8 to the second power times 3, right? Plus 8 to the third power times 2, right? So now here in this case, right? This is 8, this is 1, right? So this is 1 and this is 4, right? And then here this is 8, this is 7, right? And here it is 64 and this is 3, right? And here you got what? You got I believe that is I believe that that number is 512. Just let me verify. So 8, yeah, it's 512. So here is 512. 512 times 2, right? So here is 1024 plus what? Plus 192 plus 56 plus 4, right? So when I add those, actually, wait a second. So 1024 plus 192 plus 56 plus 4, right? And that is the number 12. So 1276 base 10, right? So we can say that 2374 base 8 correspond to 1276 base 10. Alright, so that's the answer for that one, right? So we took a number on base 8, right? We figure out the weight. This is the weight, right? So I want to make it sure. This 8 to the 0 power plus 8 to the 1 power plus 8 to the second power plus 8 to the third power. Those are called weight, right? So we took the weight and multiplied by the number of, by each digit of the octal, and we got the decimal, right? So that's how we do that, right? So we did that, right? Now, let me do a quick example on, the reverse. Let's do 359 base 10. We want to convert this to an octal, right? So here is a little different. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide that by 8, right? So actually you can just put it right here. So 359, right? 359 divided by 8 is going to be equal to about 359 over 8. Okay, so it's 44. So 44, 8, 75. Right? Now 44.875. Right? Now this is the tricky part here. It's not even tricky. It's just an extra step, right? So I got, right? Now, let me take this number here and point 0.875 times 2, right? I'm sorry, times 8. Oops. It's times 8. I'm doing 8, right? So do 0.875 times 8 is going to be equal to 7, right? Okay, so now take this number, right? The 44, So 44 over 8 again, right? So it's equal to 5.5, right? Now take 0.5 times 8 is equal to 4, right? Now do 5 over 8, right? I am dividing the last 5 right here. So 8 is going to be equal to 0.6 0.625. See? Now I got a 0.625 and I got a 0 here. So I stop here, right? So that means that I take that and multiply by 8 again, and I got 5. 5, right? So when I read this, I read up, right? Up. So in this case, this answer is going to be, because what they do, see, I got it there, I got a 7, I got 4, and I got 5, right? So what they do is they read it up like this, right? And they call this MSD, and they call this LSD, right? Most significant digit, less significant digit, right? So because I read it up like this, that means I can write this answer as 547 base 8, right? So in other words 359 base 10 correspond to 547 base 8. Alright, that's it. That's a quick video for today. I hope you learned something out of these videos. Alright, 359 base 10 359 base 10 is equal to 547 base 8, right? That's it. That's it in this for this short video. I hope you learned something. If you learned something, you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.